If you plan on getting baby chicks this year, I wanted to shoot a quick video to let you know how to set up your brooder so you're prepared when your baby chicks get home. I ordered chicks from Murray McMurray Hatchery this year, and I just got a phone call from the post office and they're ready to be picked up. And so I thought I'd really quick show you how I have my brooder set up, and then once I get the chicks home, I will show you in the next video what to do once your baby chicks arrive. Okay, so right here I have my chick brooder set up right outside the house. And I'm using a rabbit hutch, which I think is super convenient because it has the lid that opens up from the top. And then these little, this front door can open up as well. And then it has the tray underneath that you can slide out, and it makes it really easy to clean. And so all I have right now before my chicks get here is the heat lamp, which is really important. I use a red light bulb, which they say is the preferred option because it helps the chicks not peck at each other. And then I have their feeder filled with chick starter, and I have a water that's been cleaned and sanitized, and it's filled with fresh water right now. Once I get my baby chicks, they are getting delivered with an electrolyte starter that you add to the water. So right now I just have some clean, fresh water in there, but once I get the chicks and get that electrolyte packet, I'm going to add that to the water as well. And I have the bottom of the brooder lined with some paper bags, and then I have it topped with shavings, and that's really about all you have to do. You can use other containers such as like galvanized water troughs or kiddie pools, or even like a Rubbermaid container like that. Just make sure you always have a lid on top so the chicks can't hop out, and make sure they have plenty of air ventilation, but you also don't want cold drafts of air. So right, like this cage has this wire, which I may actually put a tarp on one edge just so the wind can't go through, but the house is on this side, so no drafts of air will be flowing through this other side. And then you want your heat lamp. Right now I have it about 12 inches above the shavings, and you just want to start off in like the first week or so. When you put your hand down, it should be around 90 degrees or so. And one way to check to make sure it's warm enough for the chicks is once the chicks are inside, if they're all huddled together, they're a little too cold, but if you see them kind of start spreading out, then they're plenty warm. And now I'm going to head to the post office and pick up my chicks, so be sure to check out the next video that will be up, and I will show you what to do once your chicks arrive.